Hi guys, long time no see. If you don't know who I am, I'm Leona Grace Weekly, and if you haven't subscribed, down below, just subscribe down below guys to my channel. Okay, today's video is gonna be just something simple. What's inside my college backpack? So let's go. Here is my beautiful JanSport backpack, which I got at Amazon. Okay, let's see what's inside my backpack. Okay, in here, in this small pocket, we have, well, 3 scrunchies, because you never know if your hair needs to be up. So I got like 3 scrunchies in here. A little perfume just in case you want to fresh up, because sometimes you don't want to smell like PU. So here's that. I think there's nothing else in that pocket. Okay, let's start in this big pocket, which that one will hit a jackpot. I can't talk today. Okay, we got a laptop for my school, because you need to have a laptop to do any school you need, because my homework is on here. Let's put it back. Okay, I love planners. So this is a Lilly Pulitzer planner, which I got again at Amazon. And I just like to carry this around just so I'm prepared for things like assignments, and I could just like know I'm finished with them and I don't have to worry about them. So that's why I love planners. Okay, just a notebook just in case I need to write down anything I need, like information or anything. It's just useful to have something. So this one I got again at Amazon. Most of the things I got on Amazon. So okay. Then I got a Lilly Pulitzer again, I told you, from Amazon. Basically everything's from Amazon. This is a Lilly Pulitzer pouch. I love the color. I just put like pens, like you could see pens, pencils, and whiteout, just in case you make a mistake on your assignments. You can just use a whiteout, yeah, and highlighters and all that stuff. Let's put it back. Okay, the last pocket is this pocket, which it's just the last things that I got in the backpack, or just highlighters. I got these from my mom for my birthday. So here's the highlighters. So that's everything I got inside my college backpack. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!